Want to explore Go High Level without commitment? Let's walk through signing up for the 14-day free trial as of December 2025. First, navigate to GoHighLevel.com and click Start Free Trial. Provide essential details like your email, phone number, and business type, such as agency or real estate. The sign-up process doesn't require a credit card. After submitting your information, verify your email address to activate your account. Then, customize your dashboard by selecting your industry. This tailors the platform to your specific needs and unlocks relevant templates for websites, funnels, and campaigns. With your account set up, leverage GoHighLevel's AI-powered onboarding wizard. This wizard guides you through setting up your first sales pipeline, like turning leads into customers. It suggests integrations, like Zapier, to connect with your existing tools. Explore core features like calendars, contacts, and basic automations. Remember, during the trial, there are some limitations, such as capped email sends at 500 per month and restrictions on custom domains. To make the most of the trial, focus on importing contacts and building a simple sales funnel to see how Go High Level can streamline your processes. At the end of the 14 days, you can upgrade to a paid plan or request an extension. The freemium plan starts at $97 per month.